Hey guys, it's Anna, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a full body stretching routine for beginners. So let's get started. First, reach up as high as you can. From here, slowly go into a downward dog, trying to keep a flat back the whole way down. In the downward dog, straighten one leg at a time to feel a deeper stretch in your hamstring and Achilles of the straightened leg. Walk your hands even closer to your legs for a deeper stretch in your hamstrings. Now roll up, grabbing onto the back of your legs and arch back as far as you can. Next, stand with your legs a bit further than shoulder width apart and reach one arm to its opposite side. From here, reach down over top of one leg. Reach to the center, and in this, pull your arms over to feel a stretch in your shoulders. Roll back up to standing and repeat those stretches in the opposite direction, starting with reaching to the side. Reach to the center again, and this time we're going to do 5 deep plies. During the bend, try to push your legs back so you feel a good stretch in your hips. Also make sure that when you do this, your feet are turned outwards.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life.
Now go into a butterfly sit, and we're going to do 3 neck circles in each direction.
It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface.
After completing this circle, switch directions. While staying in the butterfly sit, push down on your legs to feel a deeper stretch in your hips.
I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to...
Now straighten out one leg and reach over top of it, trying to get as close to the ground as you can.
When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't...
Keeping your legs in the same position, reach over top of the bent leg.
So
Repeat those last 2 stretches, bending in your other leg.
You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Keeping one leg bent in, turn out your other leg like you would in a split. During this, you should be feeling a good stretch in your outer hip. If you don't feel a stretch, then try reaching forward. Now repeat that stretch, bending in your other leg.
Do you remember we were just kids? In a second it was different. I never thought in a million years this would be you. You'd rather have girls in your backseat, get too drunk on whiskey. Going back and forth with you is something I won't do.
Go up onto your knees and arch back as far as you can, trying to grab onto your ankles.
I need you to understand that I won't love you tomorrow. If you would've let I follow, and now you're wasting all my time. Won't love you tomorrow. It's not how we planned it.
Next, go onto your hands and knees, and we're going to arch back as far as you can and contract 5 times.
Same chance you gon' get me back. You got 2 hours to let me know what you gon' do. I won't be playing your game no more, jumping off this merry-go-round. I can do better than you. I go in my head again, never been one for sentiment. I need you to understand that I won't love you tomorrow. If you would've let I follow, and now you're wasting all my time. Won't love you tomorrow. It's not how we planned it, and I'm saying that without you.
To stretch out our back and legs a bit more, we're going to do 5 kicks on each leg, remaining on your knees.
Love you tomorrow. If you would've let I follow, and now you're wasting all my time. Won't love you tomorrow. It's not how we planned it, and I'm saying that without you I'll be fine. I won't love you tomorrow.
For the final stretch, just go down into a downward dog to lengthen back out your spine.
Won't love you tomorrow.
So that was the end of this stretching routine, but if you would like a further challenge, try to do your splits as far down as you can, and then lift up your arms for 15 seconds so your legs can sink closer to the ground.
Where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there? Are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all
And that's it for this stretching routine. I hope it helps you improve your flexibility. If you found this a bit too easy, I also have a more advanced full body stretching routine, which I'll link down in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can click here to watch my most recent video. To subscribe to my channel, click here, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!